Understanding Road Tax, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to delve into the world of English phrases, and more specifically, we'll be exploring the term road tax. Whether you're a native speaker looking to expand your vocabulary or an English learner eager to understand more about this phrase, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. The term road tax is actually a commonly used phrase, but what does it really mean? Let's break it down. Road. This is a straightforward word referring to a wide way leading from one place to another, especially one with a specially prepared surface that vehicles can use. Tax. This is a compulsory contribution to state revenue, levied by the government on workers' income and business profits, or added to the cost of some goods, services, and transactions. When combined, road tax refers to a tax imposed on vehicles for the privilege of using public roads. The main purpose of road tax is to generate revenue for the government. This money is usually used to maintain and improve roads. This includes fixing potholes, improving road signs, and ensuring that roads are safe for all users. Support public transportation. Some of the funds generated from road tax might be used to improve buses, trains, and other forms of public transportation. Contribute to environmental initiatives. In some countries, road tax is also used to fund environmental projects, encouraging the use of cleaner, more eco-friendly vehicles. The calculation of road tax can vary significantly from one country to another, and even within regions of the same country. Generally, it is calculated based on factors such as vehicle type and size. Larger, heavier vehicles might be taxed more heavily than smaller ones. Age of the vehicle. Older vehicles, which tend to be less fuel efficient and more polluting, might incur higher road tax. Fuel type. Vehicles that run on cleaner fuels might be eligible for lower road tax. Despite its widespread use, the term road tax is not without its controversies and misconceptions. Is it really used for roads? Some people question whether all the revenue from road tax really goes towards road maintenance and improvement. Fairness. There are debates about whether road tax is a fair system, as it doesn't necessarily take into account how much a vehicle uses the roads. Thank you so much for joining us in today's video on road tax. We hope that you now have a clear understanding of what this term means, why it exists, and how it is calculated. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.